Hello students, next class is the straight line exercise 3C continuation, second Roman 7th problem. Find the value of P if the following lines are concurrent. It is given concurrent lines. Three lines are concurrent. You can solve the first two equations and substitute in third one. If it is satisfying, therefore there is a three lines are concurrent. The given equation is, what is the first one is given? 3x plus 4y is equal to 5, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, 3px plus 4y is equal to 6. Three equations are given. Therefore, you can solve first two equations. You get the intersection of the point, that is x comma y. Substitute in the third equation, then find that is a p you are getting there. Okay. Solution, observe here. Given equation you can write standard form. Given equations, this is a 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the second one is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Second equation. And px plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. Third equation. These are three equations you can give an equation. Solve 1 and 2 here. Solve equations 1 and 2. You get the x comma y value. How can you solve? Observe here. You can write here 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. You can take the two equations. You have the method is x, y and constant. X coefficient, y coefficient and constant. Therefore, first you can write the y coefficient, that is 4 minus 5 and x coefficient is 3. Again repeat 4 as 10. Okay. This is the method of the finding the x and y. Again second equation is you can write here 3 minus 4, 2 and 3 is repeated. Therefore, x by how much it is? X by minus 16 minus of minus 15. You got here? Minus 15. Y by as it is minus 10 minus of minus 12 is equal to 1 by 9, 3 3 is a 9 minus 4 to the 8. Therefore, you got your x value is how much it is? X by getting minus 16 plus 15, y by minus 10 plus 12 and 1 by 1 only. Therefore, x is equal to, you can write here x by minus 1 is equal to y by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. Because here 1 is there, minus 1 by 1 is nothing but minus 1, 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Therefore, you got your x comma y values. Therefore, x comma y is equal to how much you got here? Minus 1 comma 2. But given here, there is the intersection of the fan. Given lines are concurrent. 1 comma second and third R is given concurrent. Therefore the point P of minus 1 comma 2 lies on the third equation. You can write here third equation. Therefore, lies on the third equation means here third equation what is? Px plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. You can substitute here x comma y as a minus 1 comma 2. P of minus 1 4 comma 4 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus p, this is plus 8 minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus p plus 2 is equal to 0, or minus p is equal to minus 2, or I can write here p is equal to 2. You got here value is how much it is? P is equal to how much you got here? 2 only. Thus is the, if it is given concurrent means it is satisfying the third equation. You can put the x comma y value in the third equation. You get the p value is p is equal to 2 only. This is the method of the concurrent. Otherwise, it is not given. Three equations are concurrent means you can find that is minus 1 comma 2 and substitute here you get the 0 or not. You can get check the one step method also is given. If it is given three equations are concurrent means you can substitute or solve the two equation. I can substitute the another third equation. It is satisfied. Therefore, this is a concurrent. But you are asking p value. These three lines are concurrent is given already. Therefore, it is satisfied equivalent to 0 only, that is px plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0 is, therefore you can substitute this point is substituting here, you get the 0, therefore p is equal to how much is 2 only. Next question is, determine the whether or not the four straight lines are the equations. Four lines are given here, four line equations, x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, and 4x plus 5 minus 6 is equal to 0 are concurrent. Four lines are concurrent means same method, but you can solve the first two equations. Any two equations you can solve, and the point is and remaining two equation is satisfied, then the four lines are concurrent. Okay, therefore it is you can solve any two equations, and you intersecting the form you can get the point is x comma y. Remaining the 2 points you can substitute, remaining the two equations you can substitute, it is satisfying, then the four lines are concurrent. Given that is you can solve these two equations any two cases. I am taking the first, you can observe here, given that or given straight lines are straight lines. What the straight lines is given here, you can write in here x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. First one is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Second one is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Third one is, and fourth one is, last one is 4x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the fourth one is. Four equations are given. First we find the intersect of the points equation 1 and 2, or solve the equation number 1 and 2. First what I am doing, the first we find the intersection of equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore I can solve the equation 1 and equation 2. What are the equations are there here? X plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. These two equations how can solve here? You have the method x, y and constant you can take, and you can write here y coefficient and constant and x constant. How can write here? 2 first is minus 3, 1 and as is 2. What about that is second equation? What I am taking there? I am taking the 4 as is minus 7, 3 and 4 as is you can write here. Therefore I can write here x is equal to, or x by, what will be here, minus 14 minus of minus 12, you can write one step, y by minus 9 minus of minus 7, 1 by 4 minus 6. What do you get here? X by minus 14 of, therefore x by how much it is? Minus 14 plus 12. Y by minus 9 plus 7. 1 by minus 2. Therefore x by minus 2, y by minus 2, 1 by minus 2. Therefore you got in x value and y values, you are getting minus 2 by minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. Therefore x comma y is equal to, you are getting 1 comma 1. Is clear all of you? X comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. Substituting the equation, substituting x comma y, our point 1 comma 1 in equation 3 and equation 4. If you are getting the 0, then that is the 4 lines are concurrent. Observe here. 1 comma 1 belongs to equation 1. What happened? That is the equation third is, what is here? Third equation is 2x plus 3y minus 4. Can it is equivalent to 0 or not? Observe here. 2 of 1, 3 of 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. What happened? That is 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. 1 not is equal to 0 you are getting here. First one is not equal to 0 you are getting. And 1 comma 1 belongs to equation 4. Therefore observe here. Fourth equation is 4x plus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore 4 of 1, 5 of 1 minus 6 equal to 0. What will it here? 9 minus 6 is equal to 0. 3 is not equal to 0. Therefore you can write here P of 1 comma 1 or any point is not intersection of the equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3 and equation 4. Then you can get, then we can say lines are not concurrent. If it is satisfied, then it is a concurrent. Therefore it is not a concurrent, because you are not satisfying the third equation and fourth equation. The intercept of the 1 comma 2 equations 1 comma 2 is 1 comma 1 is not satisfying the equation 3 and 4. Therefore this is not a concurrent lines. Okay, next you can go next problem. Third bit, third Roman. First problem is find the point on the straight line 3x plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0, which is equidistant from the points minus 5 comma 6, 3 comma 2. Once again question is very easy, but you can find the, first you can understand the question. Find the point is in the straight line. It is a straight line. You can figure, you can observe here. This is a straight line equation 3x plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0, which is the equal distance. Equidistance means it is a, you can assume that is a, in the line equation we have the p of x1 comma y in the point. Equidistance PA is equal to PB only. The equidistance is PA is equal to PB, where A comma B is, what is the points is given? Minus 5 comma 6 and B is 3 comma 2. Then find the point is and find the, you can find their x comma y. Given straight line is, how can write here? Solution is, given straight line is 3x plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0, and points are is given a comma minus 5 comma 6, b comma 3 comma 2. I am writing. Let here, let p of x1 comma y1 be a point on the straight line, on the straight line. Okay, therefore this is a p of x1 comma y1 belongs to line equation. This therefore I can write here 3 of x1 plus y1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Call this equation number 1. This line equation, the p x1 comma y1 is lies on the equation. Therefore I can write here 3x1 plus y1 plus 4 is equal to 0. And one condition is given by the problem or by given equidistance. Therefore PA is equal to PB is equal to PB. In locus we have the PA is equal to PB. How can I write that is PA square is equal to PB square. Between distance between two equations. Therefore I can write under root. It is square is there. Therefore you don't write here under straight root. Yeah, x1 plus 5 whole square. x1 plus 5 whole square. y1 minus 6 whole square. y1 minus 6 whole square. Because minus of minus plus you are getting x plus 5. x1 plus 5 whole square. Similarly PB means you can write here x1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. Clear this is? Once again listen. You are in discussing the locus PA square is equal to PB square. The distance of x1 minus x2 y1 minus 5 2 whole square. Therefore x1 minus x2 means x1 minus of minus plus x1 plus 5 whole square. y1 minus 6 whole square. Similarly PB square is how much it is x1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. You can simplify this one. What happened? See here. You can simplify here. x1 plus 5 whole square is x1 square plus 2x1 5 plus 25 5 square is can here also y1 square minus 2y1 6 plus 36. In RHS x1 square plus 9 minus 2x1 3 plus y1 square plus 4 minus 2 y1 y2. You can apply the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Last you getting the x1 square plus 10x1 plus 25 plus y1 square minus 12y1 plus 36 is equal to x1 square plus 9 minus 6x1 plus y1 square plus 4 minus 4y1. In RHS, in LHS you can observe here x1 square get cancel here. x1 square plus x1 square get cancel and y1 square also here getting here cancel. What is the remaining terms you can observe here? What is the cancelling? x1 square and x1 square, y1 square get cancelling. And remaining terms I can write here 10x1 minus 12y1. What about this one? 25 plus 36 is nothing but I can write here 25 plus 36. Remaining all the terms you can bring this side. Whatever that is plus 6x1. The minus 6x1 you can write here plus 6x1. This is minus 4y1 plus 4y1 and minus 9 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore you getting here 10x1 plus 6x1. 16x1 you getting here 16x1 minus 12y1 plus 4y1. Therefore minus 8y1. This is 25 plus 36. 25 plus 36 is carry 1 means you can get the 61 and minus 13. Minus 13 means you get the 48 only. Therefore plus 48 is equal to 0. You got here 16x plus minus 8y plus 48 0. I can take here 8 common. What happens that is? You can take 8 common. What happens that is? 2x1 minus y1 plus 6 is equal to 0. You can bring this side 8. What happens that is? I can write this is a 2x1 minus y1 plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. You got here two equations. First one equation is 3x 3x1 plus y1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Second one is 2x1 minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. You got two equations. You can solve these two equations. You get the answer. How can you solve? You can observe here. Okay. I am taking the two equations is 3x1 plus y1 minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, it is. And second one is 2x1 minus y1 plus 6 is equal to 0. These are two equations. You can solve any method. You have the another method also x comma y and constant. I am directly I can solve this because plus 1 plus y1 minus y1 it is maybe cancelling. Therefore you can add. What happened is nothing but 5x1. This is plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x1 is equal to, I can write here minus 10. x1 is equal to minus 10 by 5 is nothing but minus 2. x1 is equal to what you got here? x1 is equal to minus 2. Substitute the x1 value in any equation 1 and 2 and you get the from, I can write here from second equation. From second, what you have? 2x1 minus y1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 of minus 2, okay, 2 of minus 2 minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 4 minus y1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Or I can write here minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to minus 2 or minus y2 is equal to y1 is equal to 2 only. Therefore x1 comma y1 is equal to what you got here? x1 comma y1 is equal to how much that you are getting? Minus 2 comma 2. This is the intersection of the point, the given equation. The intersect of intersect of the 2 points is in the equidistance of the PA and PB is P is equal to how much that is? Minus 2 comma 2. This is finding the point. Okay, straight line is lies on the straight lines also. Okay, therefore this is a method of the finding the equation or find the point. Okay, next problem, fourth one is show that the origin is within the triangle whose angular points are, the points is given, 3 vertices are given here, 2 comma 1 3 comma minus 2 minus 4 comma minus 1. Show that the origin is in the triangle. I am observe here. I am taking the figure is and x-axis y-axis. This is a triangle ABC. A is equal to 2 comma 1, B is 3 comma minus 2, and C of minus 4 comma minus 1. Then what you have to do? The origin is find the AB equation and BC equation and AC equation. AB equation other side, BC is other side, and AC also other side. You can show that the using of the L11 L22 east, L11 ratio of the L11 L22 is the 2 points. Therefore you can find the equation of the AB first, AB and BC and CA. Therefore AB equation how can find here? AB equation, what is the formula here? Y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to x minus x1 y minus y2 into x minus x1, x minus x1. Therefore you can take here AB means you can take the 2 comma 1 3 comma minus 2. Thus 2 points you can take here. You can substitute here. Y minus y1 is how much it is? 1 only. You can write here A of 2 comma 1 and B of 3 comma minus 2. x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 minus x2. Therefore 2 minus 3 is equal to y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, 1 minus of minus plus 2. Therefore x minus x1, x minus x1 is nothing but minus 2. What you are getting here? Minus 1 of this 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Y minus 1 is equal to 3 of x minus 2. Therefore 3x plus y, I can write here 3x as it is, minus 5 is bring this side plus 5, plus minus 6, it is plus 1, you can bring this side, minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore what you got here? L1 is equal to, line equation number 1 is equal to 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. You got here first equation, L1 is equal to 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Then AB equation, therefore you can observe here minus 1 comma minus 4 comma minus 1 0 comma 0. This is a AB equation. You can observe here 0 comma 0 minus 1 comma minus 1 is one side or other side. You can observe here. I am taking the L11. I am taking there L11 means L1 of, you can take here L1 of minus 1 comma minus 4 comma minus 1. What happened? That is, observe here 3 of minus 4 minus 1 minus 7. How much this is? Minus 20 this is less than 0. And well, L1 of 0 comma 0 also can substitute here 0 comma 0. Therefore 3 of 0 plus 0 minus 7. Therefore minus 7 is less than 0. Therefore, so you can write here minus 4 comma minus 1 and origin 0 0 line on the same side. Therefore AB is the equation. Therefore 0 comma 0 minus 4 comma minus is the same line side, means line side is there. Okay. Hence we can say that 0 comma 0 comma 0 lies on the left side, left of AB. You can call this equation number 1. Understood? This is left side of the AB, left side of the AB. The two points are in the left side of the AB, left side of the AB. This is the right side, this is the left side. 0 comma 0 minus 1 comma minus 1 is the left side of the AB. Therefore 0 0 is the left side of the AB. 0 0 where is here? Left side of the AB. Similarly you can find the BC and AC also. Okay. Listen here. The equation of the BC is, B point is 3 comma minus 2. I am taking the C is equal to minus 4 comma minus 1. Therefore equation same formula, y minus y1 of x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2 of x minus x1. Therefore you can substitute the x1 comma x1 y1 x2 comma y2. What will it here? Y plus 2 of 3 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 plus 1 x minus 3. Therefore it is 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. Y plus 2 is equal to minus 1 of x minus 3. Therefore the minus x3 bring this side, x you getting the minus x is nothing but plus x plus 7y plus 14. This is 7 to the 14 minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 bring this side minus 3 getting. You can simplify, you get the answer is. Therefore x plus 7y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Sorry, this is the line equation. This is the BC equation is. BC equation is x plus 7y plus 11 is equal to 0. Then, and the BC equation, what you have to point observe here 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 1. Therefore, so that same as it is L2 you can take here. This is L2 of, first I am taking the 2 comma 1. Already minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, 3 comma 2 is over. This is a BC equation. It BC equations, what is the remaining points are there here? 0 comma 0 is as it is, and 2 comma 1. Therefore, so that L2 of 2 comma 1, you can substitute here. What happened? That is 2 plus 7 of 1 plus 11. How much it is? 9 plus 11 is 20 is greater than 0. In previously you got here minus, but here you got the 20. And L2 of 0, 0. Therefore 0 plus 0 plus 11. Therefore 11. Both are is positive only. Therefore both are positive. Therefore you can write here. Hence you can write, so you can write here 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 1 lie on the same side. Lie on the same side. It is 2 positive or 2 negative, the same sides you are reading, the same sides of BC, side of BC. Therefore, so you can write here 0 comma 0 lies upwards. You can figure or can observe upwards of from BC. Upwards means it is 0 comma 0, where is there? If the BC is line, upwards is there. If the base side is the left side is there. If the left side is, first one is left side, second one is the upsides. Upsides, and first is the left side and upsides of the BC. You can call this as equation number 2. And find the third equation. Third equation is the AC equation of CA equation. Okay. Once again, listen CA equation, how can write here? CA equations you can observe here. C is how much it is? Minus 4 comma minus 1. You can take here minus 4 comma minus 1, and A is nothing but 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. You can substitute the formula y minus y1 into x minus x2 is equal to y1 minus y2 into x minus x1. You can substitute here x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. What you get here? Y plus 1 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 minus 1 x plus 4. This is x plus 4, you can observe. Therefore minus 6 of y plus 1 you can write here. This is a minus 2 of x plus 4. You can bring this side. What is the value? Is 2x minus 6y minus 6. Already this is a minus 8 is there. Therefore bring this side plus 8 is equal to 0. Are you getting the 6x minus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0? Or L3 I can write here. L3 is equal to x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. You can take the 2 common. L3 is equal to what you get here? L3 is equal to got here x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, here also you can observe here L3 of 3 comma minus 2 you can observe first. It is a 3 comma minus 2 because it is a AC equation. You can observe here 0 comma 0. Both 3 times you can take the 0 comma 0 and remaining the point is 3 comma minus 2 is there here. Your CA equation means 3 comma minus 2. You can observe here. What happened? 3 of minus 2 plus 1 is equal to how much it is? You get the answer is, simplify, you get the 10 only. That is 10 is greater than 0 because this is 3 plus 1 is 4 minus of minus plus 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10 is greater than 0. L3 of 0 comma 0. L3 of 0 comma 0 means 0 minus 0 plus 1, that is 1 is greater than 0. They are same side only. This is also same sides. 0 comma 0, 3 comma minus 2 lie on the same side of AC. Therefore 0 comma 0 is origin, 0 comma 0 is where is lies, lie down, downside of the AC. This is third equation. You can observe here downside, upwards and left side. It is AB equation is left side and BC is the upside and AC is downside. Therefore 0 comma 0 is the lies on the third only. You can write the 0 0 can write here. I can write here in box. I am writing here 0 comma 0 origin will be inside of in triangle ABC, in triangle of ABC. Are you clear? Once again listen. Can first what I am doing, the first is you am taking the 3 points is given. You can find the equations of AB and remaining two points you can substitute. It is same signs are there, therefore one side only, this is the left side only. And BC you can find the equation BC is, and you can substitute the another term is A is 2 comma 1. This is also in the positive terms, therefore is the one side only, that is upwards only. And CA also find the equation and remaining is put the 0 comma 0 and 3 comma minus 2. This also one side only, it is greater than 0, greater than all, though 2 are positive, therefore the what is the side is, this is the same side, the but downside is there. Therefore this you can say that is the from 1 and 2 and 3, from 1 and 2 and 3 you say that the 0 comma 0 origin will be the inside of the triangle ABC. Once again listen and you can do practice this method. Okay, we have next question is C. Seventh problem. Find the area of the triangle formed by the straight lines. It is given, it is not given a one equation is. Triangle is given and 3 equations given and A, B, B, C, C, A. Therefore, you can solve 3 equations and 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. Okay, 1 and 2, 2 and 3 and 1 and 3. 3 equation you can solve the, you can get the 3 points is. Then we have the formula of the finding the triangle of the area. You can substitute here, you get the answer here. You can, what is the given is, first is you can write here given equations you can call here 2x minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. X minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is second equation. And x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is called as 3 equation. You can solve first 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 3. You get the 3. This is this given equations are given here. These 3 equations are given. You can solve here first 1 and 2 and you get the 1 and 2 means you can anyone you get the A and 2 and 3 B you get the and 1 and 3 you get the C only. Therefore that's why I am writing here. You can solve here equation 1 and 2 or intersect of the point. Intersection point. How can you solve this is, you can write here 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 5 plus 11 is equal to 0. You have the method is finding the x, y, 1. Therefore you can take here minus 1, minus 5, 2, minus 1 as this and minus 5, 11 and 1 minus 5. Therefore x by what happened, there is minus 11 minus 25, this is because minus of minus plus only we get the 25 is equal to y by minus 5 minus 22, 1 by minus 10 plus 1. Therefore x by you getting the minus 36, y by minus 27, 1 by minus 9. Therefore you intersecting the a of x1 comma y1, let here x1 comma y1, how much that is minus 36 by minus 9 comma minus 27 by minus 9 is nothing but 4 comma 3. A of x1 comma y1 is how much, that is 4 comma 3. You got here 4 comma 3. And similarly you can solve 2 and 3. Listen, 2 and 3 how can you solve here? Observe here. Solving equation 2 and 3. What is the 2 and 3 equations I can write here? X minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly same as this, x, y constant. You can write the coefficients. You can write first minus 5, 11, 1, minus 5 and 1, minus 1, 1, 1 only. Okay. Similarly x by 5 minus 11, y by tell me 11 plus 1, okay, 1 by 1 plus 5 only. Therefore you got here x by minus 6, this is y by 12, 1 by 6. Therefore you got here b is equal to, let b of x2 comma y2 is equal to, I am writing here, let b of x2 comma y2 is equal to minus 6 by 6, 12 by 6 is equal to nothing but minus 1 comma 2 only. B of x2 comma y2 is 1 comma 2. You got here a value and b value. Okay, b also you getting. Similarly you can find the c value. What is c point is solve the 1 and 3 equations. 1 and 3 equations. What is the one equation? One equation is nothing but 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Third one equation is x plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly you can write here x, y and constant. Therefore I can write here minus 1, minus 5, 2, minus 1 as it is, and 1, minus 1, 1, 1 only. Therefore x by 1 plus 5, y by minus 5 plus 2 and 1 by 2 plus 1. X by 6 is equal to y by minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore x comma y is equal to what you got here? 2 comma minus 1. Let c of x3 comma y3 is equal to 2 comma minus 1. You got here 2 comma minus 1. This is a third vertices. You got here 3 vertices. A you got here, B value and C value you got here. Next, what is the area of the, what is I am finding the, find the area of the triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC delta is equal to, or you can write here, area of triangle ABC. It is given vertices. Therefore, what is the formula? 1 by 2 of x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2 mod of y1 minus y3. This is the formula. Once again listen. 1 by 2 of x minus mod of x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3. You can substitute, you will get the answer here. Matrix, you can get the matrix. x1 minus x2. This is the x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Therefore, you get the 4. x2 means how much it is? 1. 4 minus of minus x1 minus x2 means you get the 4 plus 1, okay, and 4 minus 2. This is a minus 1 comma 2 na, minus 1 comma 2. Therefore 4 plus 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 4 minus 2, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, y1 minus y3, y1 minus y3 of, therefore 3 plus 1, 1 by 2 of 5, this is 2, this is 1, this is 4. Therefore 1 by 2 of mod of, we can cross multiplication do here, 20, 5 4 is 20 minus 2. Therefore 18 by 2 is equal to 9 square units. Once again listen, you got here ABC vertices. What is the formula is? Triangle of delta is equal to, you can observe here, you can take the formula is 1 by 2 of x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. You can substitute, you get the answer here. It is a mod. You have seen the matrices only, that is the mod only. Determinant. Okay. This is the end of our exercise 3C. Okay. You can go for the next topic. Thank you.